Hi there, it's Grant here. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a very quick update on the crypto market, specifically the altcoin market, because I think the altcoin market is ready to take off on the start of its sort of bull run move. All of the indicators are pointing to that, so you don't want to miss out on that. I'm also going to run you through some AI crypto coins that I'm watching very closely. I've invested in some of them because I think AI crypto coins are going to be the biggest winner of a crypto bull run. It's the strongest narrative. There's all sorts of awesome technology coming out, and I think if you're interested in crypto, it's a niche you need to be paying very close attention to. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not like, why not subscribe to get more content like this? So on with the video. So I'm on CoinGecko. Here is the altcoin market cap, which is all coins outside of Bitcoin, and this is the 7-day chart. And as you can see, the total market cap is going up. We are now in the green, and I think we are absolutely poised to go on a very strong rally within the next couple of weeks. I'm going to show you why, if I can find the right chart. Here we go. So this is something called the altcoin hype cycles chart. It's a chart created by Rec Capital, who's a genius crypto analyst. But this is basically the crypto market in Bitcoin and the altcoin market. They follow very similar cycles. So the altcoin market here goes through a cycle every sort of 4 months of high hype and low hype. So when the high or the hype is high, that is basically when investors are flooding the market. But it's basically the most dangerous time to invest, when the hype is the highest, because there's almost basically going to be a dip in the market because the market is flooded. But when the hype is lowest, that is when the altcoin is quietest, prices are coming down. But obviously the green sort of barrier at the bottom here is basically where the lowest hype, but also probably a good time to buy the coins of choice. So basically the altcoin market has been cooling off, but we are basically here, we're bottoming out now. This is basically round about mid-May. So I think from mid-May onwards, seeing we're basically in the bull run now, investors are going to be coming back and hype is going to be growing up until early July. So according to this chart, I think the altcoin market is going to be going on a strong rally. And we're already seeing that in some of the altcoins. I think some of the altcoins are starting to see some major action. So I think we're on the verge of a very strong rally for at least the next 6 weeks. And I want to bring your attention to another chart. So this is basically another chart by Rex Capital. So this is another altcoin market cap chart, and this is basically the historical chart showing the last sort of bull run. And this bull run, we are basically sort of here, but this was actually mid-April, but we're going to be here, and the market cap is increasing. So what Rex thinks is going to happen is we're going to have a rally, going to have a pullback, and then it's going to go off onto a big rally. And that's not far off a doubling of the altcoin market cap. So it's going to follow a similar pattern like this. See a rally, a dip, and then the main bull run. So it's going to be a double, kind of like a double peak in many ways. So I think we're absolutely on the verge of seeing a first significant altcoin rally of the crypto bull run. So be ready for that. So I just want to show you some awesome AI crypto coins that I think are going to do incredibly well in the crypto bull run. AI, if you don't know why AI is going to be doing so well in the crypto bull run, it's because it's just the hottest narrative. Everyone is really talking about AI on crypto social. It's just red hot at the moment. Investors are playing money into it. And I think it's just going to be the absolute hottest narrative of the crypto bull run. The technology coming out is amazing. There's all sorts of amazing partnerships, and the buzz about it is huge. So we're going to see some massive winners in this space over the next 12 to 18 months. Now, the first coin I'm watching is Fetch AI. That is basically the daddy of the AI crypto market. Recently had a merger with Singularity and Ocean. It's going to create sort of like a super AI crypto network. Yeah, it's got a fairly high sort of market cap, around about 6 billion. So, you know, we're not going to see 100x from this coin in the crypto bull run, but I think Fetch, it's not out of the realms of possibility. You know, we could see a 5x from this coin, maybe even 10x for money gets behind it, because yeah, this is going to be a gargantuan coin in the future. It's got a lot of legs. Next one is Render, another great coin, offers decentralized GPU network for AI technology. Again, there's been so much hype around this coin. Really strong coin. Again, a fairly large market cap. Again, this is another 5 to 10x coin. Another one is Tau. Another one. It's very good. We got the graph here. Yeah, another very strong crypto coin. It's basically going to be the Google for the blockchain. It's going to help people find data on the blockchain. So yeah, that's going to be using AI. So that's going to be another winner. You got Singularity. Yeah, paired with Fetch now. We got a Cash, which is basically a decentralized GPU network for AI sort of technology. We've got ARs, which I really like. I sort of own some of it. I actually own. I own a bit of Render. I own Fetch. I've got a bit of a Cash. I've got Singularity. I've got some ARs as well. ARs has been on a really strong run this year, but it's got a lot of legs to go. We've got Ocean. And now we're getting into some of the smaller coins. OXO, I think that's going to do very well. Another coin that's huge amount of hype behind it has been PAL. This one has seen phenomenal gains over the past 6 months. I think it's going to be a strong winner in the bull run for sure. Going down, and then Ori, that is massively hype on social at the moment. I think that's could do quite well. We got Token here. So yeah, those are just some. I know there was a lot. I'm not going to go down anymore because I still want to blow your mind. If you're looking for some crypto coins, this isn't financial advice, by the way. You know, if I wanted to dip my toe in this space, what would I buy? But I didn't. You know, I wanted to invest in high quality, fairly safe coins. Any one of these coins here, or combination of them, basically are going to be a good bet. I mean, all of these are super high quality, and all of them, I think, hold at least 5x, potential gains. And it wouldn't surprise me if some of these go on for 10x or more, given the quality and the hype around this niche. So yeah, all of these, there's so many great projects in here. And obviously, if you want to go absolutely nuts, you know, some of these really small crypto coins, they're going to be highly risky, highly volatile. I've heard of Frock. I think that's going to be, Frock, very small coin. I think I've heard quite a buzz around that, I think. But if you want to invest, you know, a tiny little amount of money in one of these small market caps and basically, you know, put maybe $50 to $100 on one of these, you wouldn't want to risk anymore because these are massively volatile. They could go to zero very quickly, but these small market caps could, you know, if the money gets behind them, they can 100x. That's the beauty of investing in these tiny market caps, because they can absolutely take off if the money gets behind them. So if you want to go put a tiny amount of money on a moonshot coin, any of these are moonshots because no one really knows if these are going to do any good. But if you want to have a moonshot, have a look down the list for market caps under, say, 30 million. There's plenty of them. Anyway, last thing I'll say, I hope you found that video valuable. I've actually written a report on the final crypto bull run. Takes you step by step, everything you need to know about the crypto bull run. And I'll also give you some solid crypto coin picks in there as well that I have up to 10x potential, completely free to get it. All you need to do is click the button, enter your name and email, and you'll be emailed the report straight away. So why not sign up for that? And also you'll be, you'll get my weekly Crypto Insider newsletter as well, where I'll keep you fully up to date with everything that's happening in the crypto markets. So you're one step ahead of the market. So why not? I'll link to this page in the description and comments below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.